Hello, everyone. Today we introduce you to Tomahawk Piggyback, a premium leather bag for all Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 models, all 2022 up Indian Chief models, and all the Indian Scout family 2025 models included. Smooth vegetable tan leather and premium buckles grant the quality that makes our saddlebags so popular. Fidlock magnetic buckles grant a fast loading experience, while regular buckles allow you to register the straps according to your loading needs. This bag can be installed on different models thanks to hard mount or detachable installation kits that are always included and that are tailored for the motorcycle of destination. Tomahawk Piggyback is equipped with an iron back panel that allows for a sleek installation while granting the proper support on motorcycles that are stock or that are equipped with piggyback shocks. Compatibility is the key. This bag can be easily installed on both sides of all motorcycle models of destination without relocating the turn signals. Thanks to its looks and to its ease of use, Tomahawk Piggyback is bound to become your favorite riding companion.